Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel to Word. We will explore 3 primary methods to transfer your spreadsheet data into a Word document effectively. First, we'll cover the straightforward copy and paste technique, ideal for static information. Next, I'll show you how to link your Excel data, ensuring your Word document updates automatically when the source changes. Finally, we'll look at embedding an entire Excel object, giving you full spreadsheet capabilities right inside Word. The most basic way to move data is by copying and pasting. Simply select the cells you need in Excel, then press Ctrl+C. Switch over to your Word document, place your cursor where you want the data, and press Ctrl+V. You can also use the paste options to maintain source formatting, match destination styles, or paste as plain text. This is perfect for static tables or small data sets that won't require future updates. For data that needs to stay current, linking is your best option. After copying your Excel range, go to Word, click the small arrow under the Paste button, and select Paste Special. Here, choose Paste Link and then Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object. This creates a dynamic connection. If you modify the original Excel spreadsheet, your Word document will reflect those changes automatically, saving you significant time and effort. Finally, embedding an Excel object gives you the full power of Excel within your Word document. You can insert a new Excel worksheet directly from the Insert tab in Word by clicking Object and selecting Microsoft Excel Worksheet. Alternatively, copy your Excel data, then use Paste Special and choose Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object without linking. Double-clicking the embedded object opens it for editing, allowing you to use all Excel features without leaving Word.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.